Let's have a look at the Advertisers section. This is your customer relations section for keeping track of all notes and correspondence for every client, prospect, and supplier. You can add a note or telephone conversation along with a follow-up action and due date. You can also attach a letter, fax cover sheet, report, or email to each event. Emails can have one attachment and can be sent to the local email program or directly to your email server. In the Marketing tab, you can enter the business category from a drop-down list, how you acquired this contact, and for prospects, a list of your products that they are interested in. You can also enter items such as their internet address with a link to their website. Default information for terms, taxes, and pricing factor are also stored here. The pricing factor is used in all new contracts, which can be overridden as needed. The pricing factor is multiplied against the default pricing, and I will cover the pricing factor in more detail in the contracts demonstration. You can also set up credit limit for each client that takes into account outstanding invoices as well as any dockets that have yet to be invoiced. You will be able to create any number of insertion orders, but if the credit limit is active, then there must be enough available credit in order to generate dockets from that insertion order. The shipping info section allows you to enter in an alternate address, as well as printing a single label on one of the 3 preset sheet formats. You can also select the map option to view the Google Maps, and if available, the Street View and traffic information. This is very helpful if you are about to leave the office and travel to the client's office. The Links tab allows you to enter a link to another record within the Advertisers table and define the type of relationship. You can also enter an alternate billing contact and address for use in any invoices generated for this client. And a new feature is the production contact. If your advertiser has a separate production contact, you can enter that here, as well as defining the primary agency. The Forms Letter tab is your mail merge tool. First, you will want to find a set of records that will be the target for the merge, for example, all your active clients. Then you can select either print letter on letterhead or print letter on plain paper, where we will print your logo for you, or you can select an email blast. The Contracts tab, Dockets tab, and the Invoices tab show all the history for the current advertiser record on the screen. You can see the last booked ad for this client, and you can easily create a new contract for the current client on the screen with a single click of a button. The Go buttons at the beginning of each line will take you to that contract, as well as putting you into a found set for all contracts for that client. In the Editorials and Ads tab, you can enter and keep track of all the articles that mention this client. And the Other Ads section allows you to enter ads from your competitors' magazines for this client, and if you enter a date range at the bottom, then your market share for this client's advertising budget is automatically calculated for you.